We all have them, habits we wish we could change. Biting our nails, scrolling endlessly on our phones, skipping workouts. Breaking these patterns feels impossible. Our brains seem hardwired for these routines, but there's hope. By understanding the science of habits, we can rewrite our own rules. Change is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a deep understanding of how habits work. But with the right tools and strategies, you can break free from negative patterns. This essay will guide you through the process, providing practical advice and insights from the psychology of habit formation. You'll discover how to identify your triggers, find healthier alternatives, and stay motivated along the way. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Millions of people have successfully changed their habits, and you can too. With commitment and the right approach, lasting change is within your reach. Let's begin. Habits follow a predictable pattern called the habit loop. Understanding this loop is crucial to breaking unwanted behaviors. The loop consists of three parts: the cue, the routine, and the reward. The cue is the trigger that sets the habit in motion. It could be a specific time, location, emotional state, or presence of certain people. For example, stress might trigger you to reach for a cigarette. The routine is the automatic behavior you perform. This could be anything from biting nails to scrolling social media. Finally, the reward is the positive outcome you experience. This could be relief, accomplishment, or distraction. By understanding the habit loop, you can replace negative behaviors with positive ones. Breaking a bad habit requires understanding its roots. What triggers the behavior? Is it stress, boredom, or fatigue? Once you identify your triggers, you can start to manage them. Keep a habit journal for a week. Write down the habit, the time, the place, and your feelings. Look for patterns. Do you always reach for a sugary snack when you're tired? Do you bite your nails when you're anxious? Once you know your triggers, you can anticipate them. If you know you overeat when you're stressed, find healthy ways to manage stress, like exercise or meditation. If boredom is your trigger, find engaging activities to fill your time. Remember, awareness is key. By paying attention to your triggers, you empower yourself to make conscious choices. Instead of being controlled by your habits, you can start to control them. Finding healthier alternatives. Replace bad habits with positive ones. Have a plan ready when urges arise. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, read a book, call a friend, or go for a walk. Find a beneficial activity. Start small, focus on one habit. Changing everything at once is overwhelming. Dedicate energy to one habit. Be patient, change takes time. Slip-ups will happen. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Learn and keep moving forward. Section 5. Small steps, big rewards. The power of incremental change. Often we set ourselves up for failure by trying to change too much too soon. We vow to go from couch potato to marathon runner overnight. But lasting change happens gradually. Instead of aiming for a complete overhaul, focus on making small incremental changes. These small wins, though seemingly insignificant, build momentum and confidence. For example, if you want to start exercising regularly, begin with just 10 minutes a day. As you consistently achieve these small goals, you'll start to see progress. This progress, in turn, fuels motivation, making it easier to stick to your new habits. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't underestimate the power of small changes. Over time, these seemingly insignificant adjustments can lead to remarkable transformations. Section 6. Staying motivated, the importance of self-monitoring and rewards. Staying motivated is crucial for long-term success. One effective strategy is self-monitoring. Track your progress, whether it's in a journal, an app, or a simple calendar. Seeing your progress visually can be incredibly motivating. Celebrate your successes along the way. When you reach a milestone, no matter how small, reward yourself. These rewards don't have to be big or expensive. It could be something as simple as enjoying your favorite meal or taking a relaxing bath. Remember, changing habits is hard work. It's important to acknowledge your efforts and celebrate your victories. This positive reinforcement will help you stay motivated and on track. Breaking bad habits and building good ones is a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about understanding your triggers, finding healthier alternatives, and taking small, consistent steps towards a better you. Start today. You have the power to change.